Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: mobility, warm-up, and baseline data. Start the movement now with light tempo squats to ingrain patterning. This reduces injury risk and primes nervous system. Once done, open squat max MD only way and enter your baseline 1 RM or recent heavy set. Make sure units are correct and the mode is set to only way. You'll be ready to progress immediately into guided ramping and testing without overcomplicating setup. Now you follow the apps ramp protocol while staying coachable about technique. You'll add weight in small 5–10% increments and perform singles or doubles as instructed. This preserves form and reveals true capacity. Pay attention to cadence: a controlled 2-second descent, a short pause, then an intentional drive. Once you log RPE and bar speed, the system recalculates recommended loads, so trust the feedback. Make small technical fixes between attempts to safeguard progress. You reach the final attempts only when warm, technically sound, and consistent with earlier lifts. Execute the planned 1 RM attempt with full rest beforehand. Breathe, brace, and commit to depth and bar path. After the lift, record data and video for immediate review so you can compare intent versus result. If the attempt fails, don't chase ego. Lower the next load by 5–8% and run the ramp again, and check for fatigue, mobility constraints, or programming errors as the likely causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.